Are you looking to finally build a real email list online? If so, stay with me because I got something I've never seen before in my review of Scope. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But, as annoying as you are, I don't care because the lockdown is over. The lockdown is over where I am. Well, partially over. It's still partially going, but where I am, we can actually go out and get a haircut for the first time today. And you can see I really need one. So I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm not going to let Bart bring me down. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, give a tip my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thanks, Liz. See, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. She always tries to see the best in people. Anyway, if you are new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. This is the website for Scope. Now, I'm showing you this for a particular reason. This is one of the proof shots that my buddy Al, who created Scope, has put up over here. There's another one over here. Now, I'm not a big fan of doing this, and I'll explain to you why. The trouble is, and I understand why he's doing it. You see, here's the thing. He's putting up examples of sales he's made from Warrior Plus, which is fine. The trouble that I have with this is twofold. First of all, this particular shot that I started out showing you over here, this represents all sales that he's made, including sales as a vendor, which I have a problem with because you're not a vendor. You're probably not intending to become a vendor, and so this kind of skews the numbers. Now up here, this might be a little bit more accurate because this is basically, he's gotten emails from Warrior Plus saying that he got affiliate sales. So this is more accurate. At least these are affiliate sales. But again, it's not 100% accurate because the fact that Al is a vendor, and that means he has a pretty big email list that's been built by selling his own products, not just by being an affiliate from lists that he's built through the software Scope. So that's my problem here. Basically, the problem is that this doesn't really give you an accurate picture of how much you can make. Now, I do believe you can make a lot of money from Scope. I think it's a really good software product. I like it a lot. And I also get why he would put this thing up over here, why he put these numbers up. There's no real way for him probably to say, okay, I've only made this money from Scope and made this money from something else. But I want you to be aware of that because I believe in giving complete honesty and accuracy when I'm going to tell you about a particular product.
Why would you do that?
Because that's just the way I am. That's how I roll. Anyway, so let's take a look at Scope and what it actually does. So Scope, what it really does is basically it is a viral traffic software. Now you've probably seen a million of these things. Basically, what you do here is you this is the members area. You click build a promotion, and you'll basically give it information. So we'll call it test. Okay, what is your promotion preview? So you're going to put up, some sort of images or whatever. This is a basic editor. Okay, again, we'll put down test here, and again, you can add whatever content you want over here. You can talk about whatever products you want to talk about. Okay, what way do visitors claim your promotion? So this is where it really gets interesting. Basically, in order to get this thing, they need to claim particular products. They need to do various things. So like social follows, for example, and you can choose all kinds of different social follows here, that's really why I like Scope. Because when I first saw Scope, my thought was, so what? So there's a million other products that do the same exact thing. But you see the list of options here. This is unique. Okay, I've never seen any other software that had this many different options here as far as the number of different offer places that you can have people follow you in order to get a freebie. Right, that's pretty cool. Okay, and then he has social referrals. Okay, or social rewards. So again, but the point is that all these things work with so many different networks. That's pretty unique of what it does. And basically, once you finish putting it all together, okay, you can also put in a timer. You can delete it 24 hours. You can also review the stats or Google Analytics. It's a really, really nicely put together software. And with all the other extra options, it really does a lot. I do want to tell you about my bonuses as well, because my bonuses are, as always, really, really awesome. So what I've done is like this, because the fact that you have to put together your own um, sales materials, basically. I'm giving you my video on sales techniques. I'm also going to give you Shreya Banerjee's Ninja Blogging course, which is a really, really good course. And I'm also going to give you something very, very special. Going to give you something to give away as well. So what you're going to get from me is basically you're going to get the right to give away my very own Unstoppable course. I'm going to basically give you a page that you can go ahead and submit to in order to purchase, in order for your customers to get Unstoppable for free. It is not going to be a publicly available page, so you're going to have to use it within the software. Obviously, it's not intended to be put out there in public just for anybody. It's intended for you to use within the software. So let's go ahead and see if I can give a tip my hat to the product creator or not. You rock! Apps that do the same kind of thing, but then I saw the list of networks that you have on offer. It's a much, much bigger list than I see from any other similar software. So that's really, really nice. I really like the way it's put together. It's super easy to use. So yeah, definitely big tip of my hat to you. Great software. Go ahead and grab it for the price. You're absolutely going to love it. You can't go wrong.